Present perfect. Positive. I, you, we, they, had finished. He, she, it, has finished. I have worked very hard for this exam. She has finished university and has started working in London now. Present perfect. Question. Have, I, we, you, they, finished? Has, he, she, it, finished? Why are the police here? What has happened? Have you washed the dishes? Present perfect. Negative. I, we, you, they, have not finished. He, she, it, has not finished. My cousins are coming this weekend. They haven't stayed with me before. She hasn't read this book. Past simple. Positive. I, we, you, he, she, it, they, played. Elena arrived at 2 o'clock. Alice came to see me last night. Past simple. Question. Did, I, we, you, he, she, it, they, play? Did you sleep well last night? When did you hear the news? Past simple. Negative. I, we, you, he, she, it, they, didn't play. It didn't rain at all last week. I didn't learn very much when I was at school. We use present perfect to talk about the past with no time reference. Elena has arrived. Elena arrived at 2 o'clock. We don't say, Elena has arrived at 2 o'clock. We do not use time words, yesterday, last week, in the summer, etc., with the present perfect. When we use the present perfect, the time is not important or we do not know the time. In the same way, we do not use the present perfect to ask about time. We say, when did you go there? We don't say, when have you been there? We often use the present perfect with the past participle been. We use been like the verb to go and often say been to. I went to Paris last year. But I've been to Paris. We don't say, I've gone to Paris. Compare these two sentences. She's gone to Canada. And she is there now. She's been to Canada. But she is not there now. We often use ever in the question form. Have you ever been to Greece? Ever, in your life. Complete the sentence. Right answer is B, left. Complete the sentence. Right answer is A, have stayed. Complete the sentence. Right answer is A, did, hear. Complete the sentence. Right answer is B, didn't learn.